Hi, my name is Goil, G-O-I-L. I'm an architect and also an interior designer in the city. My firm is called AMMOR LLP. Oh.
The judges have deliberated. America's next top model is...
Not yet, Tyra. Don't let them know who wins, because we want to talk about the process of how we turn this into this. So follow me. This is a triplex. It has 3 stories. Bloop, bloop, bloop. The front door is actually on the middle level and enters into a family area adjacent to a narrow galley kitchen. This floor has a bathroom, but it sucks because I can see the toilet upon entry. Down below, the lower level has 2 awkwardly planned bedrooms, a bathroom, and no storage. Up on top, the penthouse feels like an afterthought. It has a bedroom open to the home office. There's no bathrooms. The nearest one is 1 level down. During the analysis phase, we found out that half of the penthouse is circulation. We know that making the penthouse more efficient is the key to unlocking this project. Stair configuration is the first thing we looked at. There are 4 possibilities: stacking, stacking rotated, non-stacking, or straight run. Each configuration has 2 versions. Version A with a private suite on the penthouse, and version B with kitchen and dining spaces on the penthouse. In total, we now have 8 viable options. After that, we developed the plans noting the pros and cons of each option. Option 1A. In general, option 1 has a switchback staircase. In option 1B, we also use a switchback staircase.
In option 2B, this option 3, in option 3B, option 4, option 4B.
Which lead us back to...
America's next top model is...
1A! Yay! After careful deliberation, we went with option 1A, the stacking switchback stairs. The treads are made of solid oak and the rail is black metal. It is a custom sculptural staircase right underneath the existing skylight, which shine light all the way down to the lowest level. This version of the stairs allowed us to create a spacious primary suite on the penthouse level. It has access to a private terrace, a dedicated walk-in closet. We even added a full bathroom on this floor. Excuse me, please. Did you notice that normally bathrooms are always an afterthought, but in our case, our primary bathroom is placed right underneath an existing skylight, which means the room is flooded with light, creating a spa-like experience. On the main level, we lined the perimeter with thickening walls of full-height closets. We enlarged the kitchen and tucked away the powder room so you can't see it from the front door. The lower level are 2 bedrooms buffered by a dedicated home office, which can be converted to another bedroom. The bathroom is larger. We even have enough space for a laundry room. In considering the material palette, we thought about the kind of calm we want to have here, in contrast with what we might see out in the city. There's a lot of natural wood, unpolished stone, accents in black metals. There's a lot of neutral and natural here. We kept a reduced material palette to make sure that the whole house feels like one house. The wood-burning fireplace actually works, which is actually quite a unique thing in New York City. Now, the Firebox is super tiny. We wanted to make that element larger, so we stacked stone from ceiling to floor, creating one unifying large element. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, we turned this awkwardly planned 2-bedroom apartment and made it into a 4-bedroom apartment. We reorganized the plan, we reduced the circulation, which means that we made more usable space, so much that we added a whole bathroom, a new laundry room, and a lot of clothes storage. I am so glad that I get to show you this project today, and if you'd like to see more of our amazing work, please hit like and subscribe somewhere on your screen. Thank you. Please check out more of our work at AMMORLLP.com.